Every morning starts with a fresh beginning, and a family breakfast brings everyone together. Good morning. Breakfast is ready.
Good morning. Wow, it smells amazing.
Good morning, Mom. I'm so hungry.
I have made toast, omelette and fresh juice.
Can I have more juice, Mom?
Sure, but finish your breakfast first.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, but I studied late for my homework.
You should sleep early. Health is important.
What's your plan for today?
I have a test today. I'm a bit nervous.
Don't worry. Just stay confident.
Remember, do your best. That's what matters.
Okay, Dad. This omelette is really tasty.
Yes, your mom is the best cook.
Thank you. Now eat fast or you'll be late.
Oh no. I'm getting late.
Have a great day.
Take care and study well. A happy breakfast leads to a happy day.